Today we're taking a look at a Beretta 687 Silver Pigeon 5. This is a 12 gauge model, 32-inch barrels and 3-inch chambers, and utilizes Beretta's latest choke system, the Optimabore HP system. The Silver Pigeon evolves with the 5 version, the top of the range of Beretta's iconic over and under shotguns. Hunter and target shooters will love this gun even more, a beautiful example of efficiency, reliability, and minimum maintenance requirements inherited from the 680 platform. You can view this Beretta and many others at briley.com. Briley is a Beretta premium dealer.